Wag lang matalo sila ng lane sobra. Kaya nasa OG to, guys. Lane lang ata problema nila.
Pag kumana yung top, no? Sure win to. Gusto yung anak ko.
Lulong na si Inday.
Katabi mo
Parley
na
na ng
yung
Hindi,
parley.
mga ano lang to yan, mga 200, 400. Yung 3K ni GK.
Okay.
Balikan na.
Ito patay ito
Mamimiss
kaya.
ko na yung boot
Pag-
nila.
pala siya.
Di
Kaya
namin
nga.
na.
Di ba na-miss katabi yan, Day? Si Boss Neil?
Ay!
Ako sa pool. Ay,
Bawal.
Kasi pala
Hindi ko
katatabi.
ata katabi si Boss Neil.
Ah.
Boss Neil, diba? Digab katabi mo, Boss Neil.
Kaya,
Ano ba feeling mo
ayaw
may
mo
boss
ako katabi.
Neil?
Ako katabi ni Inday.
Ang ino kasi, kung ano siya sa personal, ganun din siya sa Discord
May
eh.
paa, ganun.
Kaya ako ano.
Oh,
Oh.
nasinda ka ata si Inday.
Yung tono ni Boss Neil. Ang sarap ko eh. Manyakis din sa personal eh.
Pero hindi
FM ka na.
kala ko nung
Wala.
una si Boss Neil malaking tao, no? Parang laki ng boses niya.
Wala ba boss?
Hindi,
Matangkad
I mean,
naman.
matangkad na, ano, yung matangkad na lang.
Ano ba height ni Boss Neil?
Malalim
parang-
yung boses.
5'5".
Parang sila na, no?
5-5 tol. Parang tuna. Tangin.
Hindi, 5-5 na, 5-5 na kit yan si Boss Neil.
Pati si...
Gogo ka dyan, Poy!
Otong
Uy!
LFM ka na, boss nila.
Hindi,
Hindi yan salita,
ganyan,
diba?
ganyan lagi sa lane yan si
Okay,
Japoy.
Manood lang.
Okay.
Well. Hindi ka na nasanay. Ganyan lagi sa lane yan, di ba? Kahit ng qualifiers.
Tapos second rin siya eh, no? Ganun dapat talaga. Yan rin niya patayin sa tower.
And that's not good because it is a pretty good Ember game. You know, they picked it on 18 into like the Mirana, Spurrbreaker as well. It's really hard to gank this hero in the mid lane. And
Ay,
even
warded,
against
alam niya.
Beast, like, you don't interact
Cash,
that
cash
much
na
with
yun.
Lancer, but Beast also has a very hard time killing
Ah.
you. So yeah, CJ on
Basic.
the Ember should be up to a good early game here.
Meron ka?
Hindi, wait nyo lang galawan si Japoy, tol. Tang ina niya. Galawan Gaming.
It's pretty good. I don't know if
Palos
you noticed
tumigil
it
yung sugal mo.
but- No, it's I would say both.
Yung 1.5, di ba, makaisa lang?
Good. Like, you just
Yes.
have to
Oo.
center out.
Team
Plus
na yun.
In the
1.5.
game, it's just the type of
May plus ba yan?
whatever you want, which I think is quite nice. You know, you
Ba't
can go
pinupuan
Tangina,
siya?
walang
you can
plus.
go glitter,
Doyo.
you can just play for an early shard. So
Ayun, no.
quite a bit.
Minus?
What do you think of that Nature's Prophet support?
The first
Gulo
Ay,
mo,
plus
Day.
pala, plus. Okay, sorry. Hindi ko nakita.
Ilan height ka? 5'8" to, 5'8".
Tangin na kasaksa ka. Ang kulit mo na. Upal ka.
Sugal ka kasi ng sugal, Dascro eh.
Very aggressive, which I do like. I think also when you look at DM, like you have retaliate and stun, so you're not like the most potent. I think when it comes to the lane stage, it's definitely something that Saxa has to be careful for.
Ay, oo nga, no. Ba't kanina binugbog ni GPK yung Ember, ah?
Centaur is a low armor hero, so we'll see if they can get some more pressure going on with
Pero
that.
first
Nakapag
turn
ano
siya.
siya? Ang tawag
Napag-trade
dito?
sa Flame Guard.
Hindi, yung... Napag... Pinaglalasid siya, tapos sinormal lang siya ni Ember.
Okay.
Kaso nalugi.
Also, if a nice
Gago,
lift to
patay
keep
to, Will. Patay Ember
Patayan,
sa tingin mo.
patayan.
Patay to, no?
Patay.
Patay. Nice.
Gulong.
Watagang by Kuya Teams, tol.
Yes, meat.
Pabawi na si Japoy,
Nice one,
sure.
but hot
big
dog.
deal, 'cause even yeah,
Ipahinga ka nga.
Kaso mga nagkikwento kasi sa akin, Will, sinasabi, sure ka, wag mo kikwento to kay Joel, ah.
he's got a good amount of stuns, which is good. Like you
Paano ko kikwento sa'yo, Will, di ba?
I really
Latawin na ni Paulo sa po. Ba't gano'n minimidip po yun? Uy, bakit?
Ay, nako po. GG tayo.
Ba't siya gumupal?
Tayo, hotdog.
Ha?
Kamot siya.
Ba't siya pabalik, Will?
problems with my eyesight.
Pag nalam eh.
And the Remnant will secure the damage rune for Chira.
Ito, Facebook na.
Big deal because minute 6, double damage rune.
Wala. Di ata sila obra.
Turn isn't something. Chira making
Ay, walang flame guard. Obra.
7-minute wisdom.
Ay, wala. Hindi nga ata talaga obra.
Shows himself with the Arctic burn. Watson showing up as well. Gets the grappling hook and
Aray ko
Tim's
naman po.
looks to be dead.
Tang ina mo, paano magle-level 6 to si Kuya Smith, tsaka si Raven?
And now Raven in a different
tama
Ano
color.
to?
Pleased with the Raptor just from
Ba't
Rocky.
kinukuno to eh?
Kill for Kez.
Ang ina nyo, inantay namin kayo maglaro.
Just from that.
Alala ko lang.
It's a 3K lead with a double
Utang
wisdom.
ina nyo, dumulo pa talaga kayo.
Just where some of like the the smaller movements you do, like it's really important.
Pwede
that
nyo
you
makagawin
block
computer, 8 PM pa lang ah.
this area as well, because you have to block the bounces all the way through, as soon as
Saka
you
main
get
stage yan,
the
Gab.
south
Main
south.
stage.
Because, like, the
Tangina
only way
talaga.
that OG can fight this back
Hindi,
is
kaya
if
pa,
they
kaya
get
pa.
push here.
Best
Because
of to
at
to,
that
well.
point, he could have gotten
E di bigay
the
natin game 1,
opportunity
game
on
2,
the
kanain natin
outside.
sila.
He's just kind of getting
Diba?
zoned off by the Ember.
Basta
In
yung
the
plus 1,
meantime,
ipasok
he's
niya
also
tol.
6 already. BKB, AC,
Ah, ganun ginawa ni Watson. Kaya nahilapan sila
He
lumayin na kasi. Hindi ko napanood eh. Puro kasi chismis si Joel. Ayan na, comeback na. Ayan oh. Ubus tayo, Will. Kala ko comeback.
Nako po.
Patay ka.
Ako sa buhay. Nako.
Wala. Paano mamimigay ng ags to pag ganito? Utang ina ngayon.
GG tayo, boss hotdog. Thank you, Jabo. Thank you sa raid.
Si Jabo? Jabolero?
Teka. Di ba sa hotdog kaya pa to? Tiwala lang.
Wala
This
lang.
is already a problem. You've got all the supports as well that have way more XP because you got double Wisdom Shrine. And
So,
even
go-
if
Tingin
you
mo,
So,
well, kung si Cox Softling sa OG, mananalo ba OG hanggang TI? Di sila abot
Panalo yung
tol,
parlay
TI.
tol natin. Tangin.
Will they have time to do that is the question.
Grabe ka naman kay Coxwell. Di ako abot TI. Putang ano mo.
Di ko pala
Itatapik
best friend
niya,
si
tas
Kokay Kotal.
i-wait ka niya may sabihing pangit, loss. Tapos, ikikwento niya kay Cox yun.
Gupal ka man lahat.
Wala, utang ina mo talaga ha.
Hindi ka well, kupal ka.
Nabisto yung negosyo ko tol.
Gogo, ito yung legit. Well, matatapos ata yung game na to na level 4 si Kuya Tims. Utang ina no? Wala siya makukuha na lane eh. Kahit saan siya pumunta, dive in siya. Kasi
Hindi ko alam
Kukoy
eh.
siya, laging may imaginary kaaway ang puta.
Kaya nga, putang ina.
Tang ina niya.
Ang ganang kukoys yan. Pag may nag-my day sa ano eh, circle ng kukoys, di ko alam kung sino na pinaparinggan.
Iniisip ko tao kaya to.
Inisip ko na din.
Kala mo sila lang yung ibigan ng puta.
Yeah, if you're gonna be OG, you're definitely looking at potentially. You wanna get
Tang
more, you
ina.
can also, like, spur back.
Hindi siya yung ano, yung winning lane.
And see what he builds afterwards.
That's
Gago ka.
Sox done somewhere.
Ang ano, nauntog.
Oh, he's already really low.
Ulul, mamamatay siya ganito.
Oh,
Well, legit.
Hala. Ako po.
Legit ba? Putang ina mo itit! Ayun!
Itit ko.
Tet ko.
Gago kung nakita mo, Luz. Paano siya
Ano
namatay?
nangyari?
Half HP siya, tapos nauntog siya sa stun niya. Tapos mamatay.
Putang ina mo.
Just ran out, I think, like 1 second.
He was number 1 on the leaderboard.
6K.
Wala na nga ni, wala na nga balance. Di ko na nga alam yung nangyayari eh.
I call cap on that.
Gago, comeback.
Comeback. Okay, comeback.
Shadowblade,
Comeback.
you would've lived.
So, back in 2017 or
Patay si
so.
Salsal.
9 years ago.
Yeah,
It's a good
I
reference.
mean, it's fine.
Miracle, by the way.
Miracle is a really good player. He had 4 different accounts. He was 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was like 5. That was more recent.
Okay,
Like
but
maybe
he
5, 6
he only
years ago.
played carry.
Kaya alis pa dahil.
Playing support in actual
Tawag
games.
na
Naka ni
Some action here onto DM.
Dahil kailan alis pa dahil.
Reflected, the Lotus doing a lot of work.
August.
Will secure the kill though.
Tagal.
Ah,
Tagal.
farewell to you, my friend.
Iyak ka lang, Day.
Shadowblade was
Day, mamimiss kita sobra, Day.
I see
Ikaw din,
each
Sada.
other
Ano si Sada?
again.
Ay mo pa-cancel, Doy. Pa-cancel na natin.
Oo nga.
Overall, you don't wanna like show too much. That's-
Gago pero pag pinilit mo yan na ano, gaslight mo pa yung dialog yan,
This is
feel
some
like.
of the, like,
Alam mo yun,
Aha.
dahil.
Hindi, gagi.
Aha.
Ano na yan,
Sige.
sayang opportunity, Brad.
Yun nga.
May
Hindi ko
pagkakataon lang din ako makalis.
Hindi ko.
Hindi ako alis.
They find the kill onto Yopaj, his 4th of the game.
Ay, pag ka na, binigyan ka ng chance. Kapag, bigalis ng Pinas.
Hindi tol, parang hindi ko kaya mawalay sa pamilya ko.
Double searing change.
Kasama mo.
Kasama yung pamilya mo.
Ay, kung kasama, sabay-sabay kami alis. Pero yung mag-aantay ng 2 to 3 years, di ko kaya nata.
Successful though for Natsumi.
Oh.
Huwag ka magalit sa amin, tol. Tinatanong ka
Dahil
lang.
may sarili.
Oo, nag-usap lang tayo dito sa
Kaya kunwari, kayo ni Raven, sa anong
Ah.
anak mo, nandun na sa Canada.
like a little bit
Ah,
more
pwede.
Hindi daw
Pero,
siya.
I like the Yandex as well.
ibang pamilya mo, wala pa.
Wanted their own jungle.
After 3 years.
Yung ibang pamilya ko,
People farming and all
okay
To
lang.
follow.
Pwede naman kunin eh, how to follow. Pero, kasi gabi, hindi ko nga kaya matulog mag-isa eh.
Raven gets
Nang patay
initiated.
ilaw.
Arrow not gonna hit.
Lol.
And Raven
Legit.
Hindi, pag outing, tabi tayo, baliw.
well on
Gagi.
Aha.
Hindi, yung ano, yung mag-isa ako.
Sabi daw.
Pag natutulog ako, nakabukas ilaw pag mag-isa
Sige
lang
na,
ako
huwag ka
sa
na
kwarto.
magdahilan. Tabi na nga kayo ni Gab.
Kami na tayo, baliw. Ikaw, hindi mo pa sinabi po ang ina mo.
At arte mo
Wala
naman,
kang tabi.
nagdroga tayo.
Paparinig ka pa eh.
Ang ano, kawawa sila tol.
Gawit lang game to bawa.
Kawawi.
Banda nga nang alis mo daw eh. Kita mo nangyayari sa gobyerno natin, no?
Gago.
Wala gago ko sino papiliin, magkaka-Canada talaga legit.
Kawawa Pilipinas, yeah.
I mean, they should be going for Roche relatively soon. It's still something that when you're far ahead,
Pero
you don't
ano
wanna
naman,
do it like too early, 'cause it
ipon
can
lang
allow
dun.
the enemy team to like walk
Ayoko
out
na
the
nga
map,
umat.
push out
Mag-worry ka dun, Day.
Bago kayo na.
gain some
Oo.
control.
Ayun na, Chupaeng.
But if Yandex find a way to retake this
Hindi,
triangle and
ayoko
push
na
OG
umalis
out, it
kung
absolutely should be their
Hindi
Roche
talaga
right
yun
after.
yung option.
Di gago, malis ka.
Talaga gago ka
Anong,
to.
anong makukuha mo ano, word ng day pag ano?
Actually,
Dapat basta
marami
pinag-ara-
sa
I mean,
pinag-aralan ko.
sa-
Ano, yung assistant muna. Tapos aral ako para magamit yung lisensya. Para mag-e-exam ata. Puto, di ko na eh.
Pumumurahin, yata lang kita.
Tatanungan tayo, sungit mo naman.
Puta na ito ni Joel.
Ang inang Joey ito.
Well, nagkaganda lang maayos eh. Kupal ka eh.
Puta daw ako tol eh, sabi niya.
Hindi, well, yun, alam mo yung sa mga butika, yung Mercury, ganun. Trabaho.
Magdadrugs ka.
Legit? Kailangan
Ano
sa
ba,
Mercury,
Joel?
buntis ka eh.
Hindi, magbibenta ng drugs nga.
Hindi
diba?
naman, wala naman Mercury sa Canada. Gago.
May chat si Mipet, oh. Wala na.
Asan? Hindi, pili ka. Ako.
Pinakimig mo, Mipet ka.
Uy,
Una nga
yung-
madaling gamitin.
sino daw?
Si Piper,
daw?
si Jot Jot.
Hindi, sino daw yung pili ka, ako or Canada?
Ako, Canada daw.
Gago, ang hirap dyan, Day. Sobrang hirap dyan. Tarantado ka.
Ay, nahirap yan.
Siyang ina mo,
Hirap yun.
Mipet. Kahit ata sa India, pupunta ako.
Pero marami rin nga daw eh.
Ah, Indiana doon, sa Canada.
It's a 2-for-1.
Halo-halo na dun eh, no?
Still no interest
Canada.
in Roche. Roche just want to continue to play the map. As Natsumi, it's getting a little bit more
Benefits
space
lang din
much
ako.
needed.
Ano benefits
Except
dun?
BKB but no blink. Do you think they
Ano?
need that one to try and look for some plays?
Mga healthcare,
Sa
gano'n,
health-
or what?
They're not gonna sugarcoat
sa
it.
healthcare,
20k
pagka,
gold obviously is a very
basta
hard
pag
thing to
maganda
go
ata
against
yung
Heroes.
parang naging ano, zero, ang nagagastos, halimbawa nagkaroon ka ng
Okay.
surgery,
Sarap,
emergency,
no?
zero.
Para siyang sa ano, yung sa
Oo.
Dubai, no? Pag, ano, buntis ay nanganak ka dun.
Ayun din, pag nabuntis.
Kaya parang mas
2 years
kampante
ata.
ka dun, eh, di ba? Pag nasa Canada ka, ikumpara mo sa Pinas.
Malungkot
Taon
lang
Dubai, wala
talaga.
naman ako narinig na ganun, Well.
Day, di
May
malungkot
pinasa-
yan, day. Iniisip mo lang yan, legit. Pag nandun ka na.
Yung parang zero, ano.
Sana nga.
Sesendan na lang kita pag nasa Tagaytay kami.
Alchemist didn't get Greevil's greed gold.
Ang ina.
Take the treants.
Doon ka pa buntis, tapos, diba?
Video call kita, Day, para kasama ka pa rin namin, di ba?
Hmm.
May, baka pag tinawagan kita, may ongoing na naman. Ang ina, meet up, may ongoing video call ka doon, tol.
Day, kunwari, doon ka din nag-anak ni Worm.
Kaya nga.
Ano magiging ano nun? Citizenship na?
Citizen na siya doon. Yung baby
Oo,
niya.
yung ano.
Ah, legit?
Automatic na. Oo.
Ayun pala eh, mag-anak ka na agad.
Oo, go.
Aha.
I mean, I'm pretty sure he's
Mahal ba doon? Mahal ba mag...
Mga 3 years.
Ano daw?
Hindi, libre nga daw dun eh.
Libre? Go,
Pag
go,
ano,
ano ka na.
this spell.
Yung sa trabaho ni Worm, gan. Tapos
Go,
ano
go
ka
pala doon eh.
Grabe nga healthcare doon sa ano, no? Paano daw?
Yun nga gusto ko eh. Yun lang. Pero, puto
Dito
malungkot.
rin naman sa
Ewan.
Pinas eh. Grabe din yung mga nangawak ng healthcare eh.
Maganda benefits dito ha, pag buntis. Una ka sa pila.
Lagi, GG na.
Tignan ka.
Tangan na.
Ayan, dito?
Ganun.
Boss hotdog, talo tayo. Oh, priority. Sa pila, Jollibee, ganun.
Oo, kahit pilay ka.
No, not at all. I definitely.
Just protector. This draw can absolutely win you this game. This OG draft.
Ano page? Hindi ko alam eh.
Anong ayaw? Hindi pwede. I'll carry her bugs.
Parang di amoy bagoong ha. Tangin na rin.
Pang ganda lang kulang.
Carry.
Draw game to ah. Draw game sobra, no?
Draw game.
Oh,
Draw game ba?
Hugaw.
Okay, draw game daw. Draw game daw, Gab.
Bisco, tol. Sure win sa lane.
Sure win to, ah.
That's good.
Legit. Kaka na-ini-scam yan.
Tara,
Yung
Basnil,
mga
G.
hindi tumaya, taya na kayo, legit. Well, taya ka, Well. Di ka tumaya, Well.
Wala,
Tumaya
okay.
siya,
Gab.
tumaya siya.
Hindi kaya siya masakta sa Wild Ducks mamaya nitong dalawa. Lost?
OG overall
Di
had
naman.
left.
Ilan na, nandiyan na yan.
Mabubugbog nila yan sa ano gabi, level 1, ganun.
Level
4.80
1,
ata.
okay.
Di maka- di
Ako
maka-
level 1 na pupush lang eh. Pag Kotol Beast.
Magpe-first spell yung Kotol.
Ah. Ewan ko.
Malakas yata si... Ewan ko.
Tama yun. Pero
Mga
OG ka
pangatlo
dito,
nila yan si
OG
ano.
din ako. Support tayo dito. Plus 1 OG, let's go.
Pakontra yata nila yan eh. Si Mirana kay Kotol. I can see it
Ano mo
naman.
palos narinig kita na pindot ko yung taya. Ayun din. Hindi, may taya na talaga guys. Patay tayo mo, pupuruan siya. Patay din siya.
Susuntukin ko mo
Kala
yan.
ko, sure win na tong top. Pag ganyan ng...
Ay, ewan ko dyan. Gago yan.
First blood for the Cotto.
G, Basnil.
She still has where
Bad trip.
Teka lang, check ko lang yung dalawa. Okay, 1 win, sure win na. Okay, ito. Possible 2-0, okay. OG na lang talaga kulang. Utang ina nyo, OG. Yung plus 1 ko. Last 1 kayo na lang.
Deny. Inang ina mo.
Same man na pala sila mashup.
Ganda ng laro yan. Okay. Let's go, boss hotdog.
Fuck.
Sa after ng OG, Switzerland versus ano no? Ganda naman.
Yun nga.
Ligo, yan.
Ayaw na tayong patulogin, tol.
Drow matchup late game. The panel kind of talks
Tayo,
about
tama.
the ult from
Bahala.
Drow kind of just ripping through that base
Yun na di
armor.
alam.
as
May
DM
first blood pa yan ka ba?
May
Gab, may first blood pa yan.
Wala nga,
May
palo
first
si
blood
Strike
pa yan,
na
ha?
tol. Wala nga eh, palo si Strike.
Always has been, always will be.
Palo si Strike na.
One of his biggest
Okay na yung lane nila, hindi na masakit sa mata katulad ng first game. Ito normal Dota na nangyayari.
You kill all his illusions, you know, you get all the procs from the hypothermia that like go
Normal
around,
na.
deal damage. So
Normal Dota.
definitely Drow favorite. You need to find a way to get on top of her.
Deny. Inang ina mo.
Ang ina mo.
Aghanim Scepters on the TV.
Upal ka.
Nina ka pa. Inang ina mo.
Hindi
So
ka
far,
ano.
it's been playing very even.
Focus on the things that we can control.
Last game.
I feel like it was around now because they were like level 3 on both of them. But didn't I think he also had chains on Jiro Jr. because he had like pressure going his way. So
Si Japoy,
he
gising
was
na din.
learning
Tignan mo.
from his mistakes.
Asan, boy?
We all do.
Kasi ba't ka natulog kanina?
Some
Gago, kinakata na nila,
the
tol.
lessons being
Hindi ka makakalinya ang
presented
gago.
to you.
I feel like you
Kung walang boots to, inang edit
That's
to eh.
part of old age. Ignorance is bliss, as they say.
Mhm.
So Natsumi, 16-3 in the CS.
Ano, tatlong pay
and
repair,
you
no?
can see tied with the Terrorblade for Watson.
Ano yan, binili niya nung namatay siya, Well?
Binili niya.
The one thing
Matay.
is, I think Scam also has been doing a good job on his Potom, which
Gago.
I'm still not. I don't think Potom
Kana.
is like the best POS 5. It's a very like.
OG is back na
It's a
yan.
hero that
OG is
has
back.
a lot of small things you need to get going for yourself. You need to
Or
kind
just
of
not
own the lane.
bitches.
'Cause
Hindi
you
na,
don't
gago.
do that much unless you do well in lane. And
Galing
you
mo
wanna
nga
have another
magtaya-taya
versus
din,
Shadow,
alas
which I think they can. It's not amazing, so I still want to see more of her.
O chambador ka lang. Sa tingin mo.
Chamba lang.
Hindi ka talaga magaling sa mga taya. Or ano?
We'll see if there's going to be
Chamba
action
lang.
here. For the runes, 4-minute
Bakit
water
mo
rune
maus-
is the Marana will take one.
Di baliw.
I mean, what kind of rotation do you think these
Mm,
supports
tang
are
ina mo
gonna
kanina.
have for this? I assume it's going to be the power rune in 6 minutes.
Ang ina mo,
It's
diving yan.
definitely
Diving mo yan.
like you can play for the 6-minute active rune. I think that's also worth.
Kawawa sa kanya,
I
tol.
mean, Scam kind of has to decide if he wants to poke his way into like,
Kawawa.
the enemy
O
triangle.
paano yan?
because
Paano ka lilane?
When you play Beast Coddle,
Kawawa
Yeah,
ka.
basically.
Inagawa ka pa ng bounty ni,
Scoring, and I
ni, ano,
think
ni
Scam
Teams.
is currently still here. But one of his rotations later could be
Yung
into
nangyari kay
Falcon,
Bis, ganito din
also
kay
set
nangyari
up
kay
a
Raven
play for
kanina
that,
eh.
get some stun going
Or
on
di
the
naman.
TV. 'Cause,
Di naman
naman.
siguro.
Watson seems to
Mayaman
already
pa
be
din yung
struggling
Bis.
at least a little bit. Because yeah, there is so much pressure on this top
Okay.
lane. Every time there's a
So,
blow,
ano mo,
it's just
libre
gonna-
baboy ah.
Yeah, DM struggling a bit in the CS, as we probably expect a bit. 13-5 right now, bottom of the cores in the game.
Kung ganyan na kanina lane ni Japoy. Wala din, di din nagmamatter lane ni Japoy kanina. Bugbog talaga sila sa lahat.
Sayang. Sakit ng Starpool eh, no? Saka nang yung Starpool yan.
Like good pressure, even though you're not killing him.
What a
You're making
damage.
sure that Kato isn't like falling back to any of the camps, that he's stacking it. Like, it's just kind of full chill.
Ayun na naman yung baboy, gago. Sarap.
And I'm pretty sure they've been feeding quite a few boards, and they don't just give a lot of gold. It's more about the XP. So I think when you're looking at like the overall levels later, like both Natsumi and
Bago
Skem
ganda
will
ang
be
bibili
very,
niya
very
ito.
happy.
Threads na siya, no?
Definitely a better start than last game,
Oh yeah,
Sarap.
despite the first blood.
infinitely better. Yeah, of course, the first blood.
Well,
You know,
sabi mo
Pudgy's
sarap.
also hitting 6
Sarap.
before the Earth Spirit.
Ano yan?
Level
Nasaan ka
6 is
mamaya
zero.
na live mo?
Yeah, the panel kind
Ako
of
hindi
Matik
na,
yan,
nag-off-stream na ako.
double
Nag-off-stream na ako.
sleight of fist, the double axes, a lot of great partnering opportunities for
Wala ka nga
Birthday
sa
din ba
kanila.
ni Carl?
like this game.
Legit.
Oh, sabay.
Meta,
Oh,
since it's not
birthday din
ultimate.
pala.
No, Kato TB is very, very good like later, especially once we reach
Yan
out
talaga kambal eh.
game stage.
Isa may tsura,
There's
isa.
a big hurdle that
Diba?
OG already got over.
Aha.
Sabi mo kay Carl yan, di daw bad room yun.
Will be a region that's currently being protected.
Tangay na may
Sure
regen.
secures it. Tim's will
Bad
walk
trip.
away with his life though. Raven
Kung
going
sa
for
atin
the
ron,
helm
libre
build,
XP.
as we've seen.
Bad trip.
To be able to farm for the Centaur, and then, I mean, is he just going to go straight heart, or is there something more needed in the short term?
He could. It's also a good Lotus game, I think, for later. Same with like a Blink Dagger if that's something they do want. Also, when you
Dominatol,
have Mirana,
Raven
Willow,
Durant.
very good subs for you to just play like a 1+1 combo. You also get Moonlight Shadow, so personally I wouldn't really mind like a Blink Dagger. Or, I mean, it's kind of this
Ay!
like a team fight item, I think, to like help your Earth Spirit kind of go ham in these fights.
Maganda tong laban na to, Lux. Legit.
Kakabigayan ng mga bara.
Gago, mananakaw na naman sila.
Hindi.
Okay, hindi yan ah.
Papareak lang si Skem. Pero pinareak lang si Ember.
Forces Centaur to the high ground. as
Wala,
we
di nyo
know,
mapapatay yan.
Skem
Asa kayo.
being pushed out.
Drake ka magpapakamatay.
Patay na lang.
Fuck.
Will be a trade of sorts for the Wisdom Shrines as Skem.
Wisdom. May wisdom naman tayo.
Natsumi, but he'll still
Patay si
burn
Clark. Patay si Clark.
Sock to a 2 kills
Uy!
now to his name.
Ano?
Itong ano mo, Drew.
Malady.
Tutit.
Nice. Putang ina mo, nice.
Finish the job. Nicely done.
Tutit,
Ay, patay
gets.
si Tit.
Natsumi, though, dying in the
Walang
top.
pataw, Jet.
One siya nahabol.
Kill than either of these
Tinulungan niya pa kasi.
Maybe
Shira Jr. makes his way over for that.
he must have disrespected
Slow siya ng
something.
bor.
It is a good move by CJ, but he had shown his like positioning for a while, right? Because
Ako
they
siya
killed
yan.
Skem prior.
Tangina mo.
Natsumi was
Itutumba ulit sa lang lip niya, tol.
Hindi yan.
Oh, hindi yan ah.
Hindi yan. Ba't parang patay nga, Los?
Los, follow ko ba hindi
si
yan?
Chip, muli-muli na mo. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Bobo mo, Skem. Tangina mo.
This is a big deal, and it's also like
Minura ko na, Gab.
have a hero like Beastmaster mid as
Damay ka na. Inangina mo.
Rotation by
Okay
Natsumi,
na.
like that he
Bawian lang,
TP'd
Gab.
here.
Siya, no? Okay.
I think there's quite a big skill in like not just auto.
Oo nga, no, kakatipi lang ni Clark.
To TP to the safe lane.
Kakatipi
but
lang
more
ni
Skem.
Skem.
actually, like mindfully
Okay.
looking around at what's important. And to go back to the earlier point, like CJ's rotation to the top was super important. Like DM did not have a good early game, but now with him, like with Ember just being there for a whole minute, the entire game just recovered.
Mas lumaki ba price
You
pool
know,
na ito,
even if
Los?
they get
Yung
more damage on this tier
Riyadh.
one, this is gonna be
Hindi,
fully
limit.
DM's area.
2M na lang yan, Gab.
Dati ba ilan?
Yep, after a slow
Nung
start,
sa atin,
he's
Gab,
now,
nung sa Riyadh
gonna be
natin,
fine.
15 yun eh. Alam
He's
ko
got
eh.
a full dom completed, which
Ulul.
means suddenly, like Drow
Oo,
Wings
gago.
delayed
Yung
for
sa atin,
7
ah.
minutes,
Yung
so
laglag
if
tayo
you
agad.
completed, you can't touch that lane that much anymore.
Feels like all that early pressure kind of wastes away
Yeah.
now. And Shadow Realm will keep the
Hindi
dog
ramdam
moving a
last
little
place
bit
kasi
longer,
putang
but
ina.
only a matter of time. Illuminate does hit. Curse Crown will activate as well.
Kaya
That's
nagbibid
really
tayo
gonna
sa top,
avail
ya.
as the rest of
GG
OG
yata
have
tayo.
to run.
Oh, na pinipilit nila yung defend, no?
Next 1 or 2 minutes because you bring more heroes top and you can't really defend the area. Like that Watson comes through the gate here just to make sure to secure the area.
Dapat yata talaga. Di namatay si Etet.
Run
Sobrang
gets the
biglang
tower
namatay
back
siya.
to
Nabasag.
farming. To the other side.
Okay, I think if you're OG, it would be quite nice if you don't allow Watson to just linger down on the bottom lane.
Domi ba si Raven, no? Domi siya, no?
Yes,
yes,
yes.
Beastmaster area when he's taking your tier
Dominador.
one, it's very difficult.
Bubuhat kayo
So
ni
if you're
Center.
OG, I think
Wala kasi Center,
looking
di
on
ba?
your
Anong
own
item ni
active
Center
runes
Gab
is
na
quite
pangbuhatan
nice,
o wala?
Or maybe just trying
Art,
one move
yun
onto
heart ngayon
Raven
yun eh. Kaya na
Lotus
item.
Heart.
to help him out would be
Oh.
quite good.
Ito maganda Lotus. Lotus heart na.
Yep, Chira has his urn. Gonna
Ano
work
item yan,
towards the
Domi
Spirit
Lotus?
Vessel now. Good against the Centaur. And
Dami Lotus.
the Earth Spirit as well.
Hindi naman need blink.
against TV. If
So,
your
ano,
map
logi sa
struggles
lulong
and you're gonna
game.
be down like overall, it's still
May
not that
tayo.
easy to get there. Because they're down 2k gold, they lost their top tier 1 tower.
Kasi
And
Melbet
one of
yan,
the
lagi
most
nyo
natural
pinagbablog
next
eh.
movements for DM on the B2B to end up going for the mid tier 1.
Yeah, if Watson's up like one item on the draw eventually, then doesn't matter about the matchups as much.
Nasa kondisyon Mirana ni Tims. Wala talaga, di siya may gamit eh.
Series thus far.
Kaya nga. Ayun, wala pang boots to 10
They wasn't
minutes.
really pressured that much in the
Not
bot
at all.
lane either.
Mirana.
No, he had a full free game in the first one.
Hindi, Andex ng kalaban. Tier 1 team
Necessary
talaga.
chains into bowling. Okay.
Pero gobe.
What in the
Tanga na
world?
Messi.
That was actually really sick.
Okay, both skillful from Mr. Malady, but also
Wow, naman si Andrego.
choose where to leave. But
Tangina,
Di pa
parang
naman sanay
ubuso
si-
Andre.
Di pa naman sanay si Skim na ganyan, no? Na wala siyang game lagi.
Oo.
4.5 kasi maglaro ito eh, yung post 5 niya.
We give credit to people. Okay.
Huwag
We
natin
don't
papatayin
take
yan.
away
Asa
from
kayo,
their
boy.
success.
I love Malady. so
Unless we
I'm-
don't like them.
Oh,
If we
then
do that for some
Kunat
reason,
eh,
we just
puta.
don't like them.
Okay.
Dapat
Speak for
yan.
yourself.
Gago.
Well, we're casting together, so it's a we now.
Okay.
Watson in meta form.
Kasing yaman lang sa
Ember,
bro.
pinoprotect lang yung mga ano.
Do some damage
Uy,
to this
etit.
tier
Huwag
one.
Nice
gago
one.
kayo.
Towards the top side, Yopaj
Patay kayo,
Gusto
boy.
niya na,
Boy,
abuso
patay
niya
kayo,
na.
boy.
Promise yan ha.
Patay
Promise
kayo,
yan.
boy.
Dead Beastmaster, so DM
Gusto
versus
niya yan.
Yan yung plus na yung plus 1.
Kanina pa kayo, kanina pa kayo, kanina pa
Itawin
kayo.
nyo lang. Itawin
Ako
nyo
ay
lang.
magaling, ha?
Very
Nang
good
ina nyo.
punish
Nice
on
one.
their own side of the jungle there. Because even if the meta popped down,
Kunat eh, oh.
didn't really get too much done down here. Like Raven just kind of beefy, protecting his own tier 1, can still help his team with the Stampede.
Sino ba nasa group D guys? Ay, yung BP ano no? BPLGD.
Damage room bottle right now.
Ganun ba nagbabark yan last? Kung sino yung naglarong 4 ngayon?
Yeah, like you said,
Yata.
very even now.
Or yung 1 win ano?
Thought that Yandex might be
Tumaya,
trying to
yes.
close that 2K lead, and
Sa OG tal.
OG
Ganun yata.
finally
4.8 yung
got
odds
kills.
nila eh.
Ah, okay.
Taas.
And let's see where they go from here. Because with Magatites being down, you can either hit the enemy mid tier 1. I mean, they're currently smoking top, but the best one they can find for now is
Patay si, huwag niyo papapatay si Etet. Ay, nag-TP out na si Etet.
Let's see if
Ay,
they
okay
have
na
a
yan.
good read
Papatay
on
ka na
Okay.
ulit. Tipo.
Anim sila sa group.
Searing chains to
Ah,
start
okay.
things out with an Illuminate.
Yung tatlong...
Not really
Okay.
needing it. Chira, that damage rune doing a lot of damage despite it being so
Dapat
early.
to. Yowe. May kotol,
Nasa
naka
board
ano.
na agad, oh.
Naka max and chains, kahit max and
Ganyan
chains.
nga build ngayon, Los. Rectart.
We'll try to do
Presenta.
so. As Yopaj and Tims are smoking.
Dahil sa
If they
movement
find
speed
a
din.
correct angle, I think with good spell
Mag-art
usage,
siya
they
nga.
absolutely
Mag-art
do
na
kill
siya?
Watson from full to zero.
Ewan ko, maganda din Lotus dito eh, sa game na to.
Because for now, Watson has done a pretty good
Palotos
job
yata siya,
of
naka-plate
evading
mill siya,
most
di
of
ba?
the stuff.
Kasi ba
Update
siya
me,
sabi
Lee.
If
start?
there's any rotation, there is still tier 1 here. It's heading towards the south now.
Si Centaur.
Bahala ka.
He will run into
Yopaj,
him.
yeah, he's gonna run into
Patay
him.
ka, boy.
Patay siya, Lus, patay.
Potentially very pivotal
Patay
moment.
Wag yan, nakatakbo,
for
putang.
OG.
Imposible. Patay na,
Been off
patay.
the map for
Nice.
quite a while. Watson gets rolled
Double kill.
on. He's gonna get
Putang,
terrorized
imposible
on top of
mabuhay
all
ka,
the
boy.
magic damage and-
Uy, Lus!
Oh, he
Uy!
gets the Sunder on
Dito
the
mama
right
yung first
side.
spell! Ni Japoy!
Chira Jr. here as well. Watson.
Ano ba, dude?
He's gonna activate. Trying to finish
Ikaw
the
ay
fight.
mamatay,
TV. Di, boost pa din
Okay,
ba?
ubus natin,
Nice,
ubus
nice,
natin.
nice. Please.
Falls as well.
Putang
Gago, may draw, may draw.
Patay, nice! Nice!
Nice one.
Nice! Nice!
Ano ba yun?
So OG.
Buti dumating si Etet. Kutang ina ko,
Putang
ako
ina
nagpapalim
yun.
lang yun eh.
Muntik na ako manisi, tol.
Muntik na ako, ano masasabi ko sa iyo nun po eh.
Gago
Sorry,
ka.
pero ano,
Putang ina yun,
muntikan ka sa akin.
Ang galing nga ni Edit kumonect doon. No?
Gundo putong ina mo. Di ba tumama?
Hindi tamama eh. Hindi niya kagad yun eh, pinaspell eh.
Gusto niya last hitin, no?
Gusto niya last hit.
Overcommit with all the other heroes as well. Earth Spirit loves this type of fight. Like your Magnet is just going
Ganda nga.
forever.
Yeah.
Pride man lagi, no? Naka-ready na si Natsumi. Kung maglima man.
Pride man.
Good choice.
Absolutely. There ain't no way
Kamot
about
sa
this
Dima
fight.
kasi, gago.
Tangina mo, kamutin mo yan. Ulul. Kaya mo, naka-plus 1 kami dito, kupal ka.
Your friend syndrome there.
Very common.
Mali
Saka
di-
pa.
Nakakainap
Saka pa, ha?
Bida ka!
Tangina mo.
Ano mo?
So OG.
Ano mo?
Dapat ko, gudyo po yung suda, tol.
GG na sila.
True.
Pagka si
Wala na.
Japoy may ganyang game, GG na sila.
Nag-init. Wala.
This is a 2-game
Yung
series.
game 1, medyo malami eh.
in best of threes, they don't show up for game 1. I don't know.
True.
Nakakaya din naman sa OG, tumaya yung mga Pinoy, di ba?
Dapat lang tol, pagka natalo lang, kawawa yung page
Kanina
namin.
pa kami gising dito tol, 4 PM. Yun na.
May sa series pa ba sila? Wala na?
Wala, 1-0 silang per day.
One series lang per day, okay.
Raven also top in the net worth. Like his build. It's not too
Would be
complicated
a
out.
huge kill if they can somehow
Malabo niyo
find it,
matouch
but
si
top
Raven
one.
Doron tol. Kina niya.
Oh, hook stop on
Mm.
the high
Putang
ground.
ina mo,
Okay.
patay ka.
To the roll.
Patay, los, patay,
Ina mo,
legit, legit.
bida ka ha? Patay siya,
Patay, nice.
patay siya. Di
Habol,
mabubuhay,
habol tayo.
di mabubuhay.
Patay di.
Get the kill onto
Wala tayo spell, wala tayo spell. Wala
Very,
tayo panghabol.
very big.
250 bucks.
This is a lot of gold going their way.
Sarap.
Just
Pikit.
towards the
Hindi.
tail end of the
Gago,
moonlight shadow,
inabot
the
ako
nice
agad 9
positioning on the
AM
high
eh.
ground.
Yung body clock ko ngayon.
I mean, I wonder what Yannick's
Wala na,
we're
wala
currently
na.
talking about in
Mga
that moment. 'Cause they
pikit-pikit
saw
na yan, wala na
nothing
yan.
on like the top 2 wards, nothing on
Wala
the
din obra yan yung apit-pit.
and they didn't camp the
Si
room
Joel,
either, so you
naantok
gotta
na.
be expecting at least some
Malabo, tol.
form of aggression from OG during that
Kahit
time.
magpunta pa tayo ng ano, tol. Baguio.
Yoko.
Ayoko, may sisira ka
Damot.
lang dun.
Kala ko papayag kayo.
Like that, Raven almost with the blink. So likely to see a lot more
Tangina nga
from
man ng
Ray
bisya.
and OG.
Ano ba talaga?
How long they wanna wait for
Wala
the-
yan.
Hindi, magta-time.
Putang ina mo.
Magta-time naman yan. Magta-time naman yan.
Wala yan.
I think like whenever you have Moonlight Shadow,
Pero parang pag nagsama-sama gaming sila, lus, GG
Kaya nga,
tayo.
kukulapan, nakita. Tangin.
No?
Hindi, okay lang. Pagka nagka-reset, okay lang. At Ags ka, di ba? Ags siya, di ba, dapat?
Hindi, parang ang lakas kasi ni Kotol TV Beast. Yung legit ah.
Yeah, the Black
Wag
Dragon
nega.
makes an appearance for DM.
Hindi nga yung legit nga lang, baliw. No bias.
They're trying to
Tanginan
occupy
to.
this side of the jungle.
Kulit ah.
OG not ready to fight
Kulit
quite
mo
yet,
dun,
it
tol.
seems. I mean, they must be close to a BKB.
Mas magro-roshan
Tangina,
to pag
iwasan,
inabot
mag-isa lang sa
sa
buto,
for,
oh.
for Yopaj on this kill streak though.
Kaya
3-0
ako eh.
to start this game.
he's still very tanky, so it's more about them finding like a good connection. I think they're all semi-ready and also happy to fight.
Punish kaya nila nang punish to si Ember, no?
Nod ka pa Switzerland. Manonood ako pero di na
Talked about it before, but Natsumi on the drown this game. They should
Wala pa
be
ba
very, very
nakaka-score, guys?
comfortable dragging this game out.
Wala pa siguro, no? Wala pa nag-update. Oh, kanina.
Patay, patay.
Hook shot to try to
Patay dalawa,
Araw.
patay dalawa,
Ka na
nice.
naman, Malady.
Nice, nice. Putang ina mo si
Nice.
Raven, tol.
Teka, set
Ano
it,
to?
set it,
kill for the Centaur.
Puta, nag-blink siya bigla, no?
Now, this is some great stuff.
Ganda.
Raven Duron, tol. Ang ganda ng laro ni Raven dito sa game na to. Legit game to.
Buti na lang, hindi na yan si Force, tol.
Wala, malabo mag-center yung gagong yun.
Oo,
Oh,
Batrider,
tapos-
sabi niya, o kaya
Teka,
Snapfire,
magdidip sila.
gago.
Lose, wait. Lose!
DM with the roar though, finding the Earth Spear. That actually ends up being a very easy
Ang
kill
galing
for
naman na
the
Radiant
Dragons.
dun. Dinip nila yun.
OG sticking around a little bit too long there.
Puta, ibang team give yun eh.
Found a good punish there.
Sure
And
ako.
you can see that
Doyo.
some of these teams, like you don't
Hindi, okay
give
lang,
up
sige.
anything for free. Sure, you
Wala
lose
nang
one or
game
two
yung
heroes,
Ember,
but
wala nang bilang
if
yan.
this tower can be defended,
Tapos
you
yung
absolutely
pag
bring
walang
the
game yung
numbers.
Ember, yung draw natin, pre-hit. Let's go, Ed.
Hindi, sabi din ni Chip, pag walang game yung mid, wala din game yung Kotol.
Home
Sabi kanina.
Patay ka,
player.
Kotol. Patay ka, Kotol. Yan, kayo na mo.
Probably had that for like 10 minutes actually.
You talk about his big black
Sana
dragon
mag-upset
already.
it. Nakabahan ako.
Man,
It's just a little jet lag, no big deal.
Ganda naman ng TV nito.
Sobrang
Loko.
August game na
The
ito
pipe is
eh.
quite good though. Like at least when you look at what OG have, obviously it doesn't stop the draw.
Pareho
but it
sila ng
means that
item
you
na
can-
draw, no?
You could pipe your
TI na ba
kind
to?
of ignore the
Esports
others
World Cup
and
pa
then
lang
just
tol.
think about and
Next
talk
month
about
yung
the
TI.
Honestly, the
Kaso
only
wala na
hero
si Inday, baka makancel.
like punches through the pipe at this point.
Aha.
Tangi.
Cancel yan pag
I
ganun.
also like to see the Ags later from Natsumi. I
Pipe
do
na.
think it is. There are some players that
Cancel
skip
yan,
it, but
tol.
I'm still under the opinion that this item is honestly
Malabang ituloy yan.
to skip on this
Ah.
hero. You don't have to go at first, but it should be within your kit.
Bago push type.
Yeah, like you said,
Mabilis ba rush?
finished
Bagal
before
pala
the
rush
end,
natin,
so
tol.
Delikado sila pag nag-top rush, no? Madali sa Radiant.
looking for a
Mag-rush.
Yun nga.
Watson
Kunin natin yung
on
Tarmagat.
the Terrorblade. Still working on Scotty but has the
Oo nga, no? Day, wala na yung mga selfie mo, day, AI, pag may bet slip.
Inagaw ni, ano eh, ni Joel.
Is he going for
Hindi ako.
Tangin ako
it's
talaga,
honest-
Will.
It's kind of late, but it's still pretty good against some of these heroes.
Hirap pakita na dyan.
Even the supports, Mirana, Willow.
Kahit
Sakura,
AI
you know,
die, di ka pa rin
safe
maganda
for
eh.
Spirit, so
Uy, shit, tangina.
Putang ina na ito, puta.
Aray ko.
Upa yung putang ina ka, Joel.
Aray ko.
Sorry, like.
Like they have
Uy,
Saka lang
ayos na
yan,
yan. Putang ina mo, Will.
kind of shoved
Ayun
the
nga eh.
map back into them.
Gago.
Hookshot is gonna
Dodge.
miss. Scam is doing
Nung
a
tayo
bad
matap,
job. I
okay.
like the early force staffs as well from OG. You already have
May
one
port pa
activity,
tayo,
so
may
building
port
one
pa.
as well
Port na
on
natin
Scam.
to.
Very good against
Port na
the
natin,
early
hoy.
Part na natin. Wait lang. Extra damage din yan pag nag-flash.
Nice cogs.
Kita na.
A little bit of vision there as well.
CCTV.
Kind of stuck in this
Patay na
one.
yung clock.
Ay, na-break.
Pero may naror. Sino yung naror?
Prize for Yandex.
Sino ba naror?
Bedlam
Mirana,
finish.
Mirana.
Yung Mirana
Mirana.
na buhay.
Ah, okay.
Did lose the tower, but they are protecting the area.
Parang
overall,
bad trade
and
sa
they
atin
want
yun,
it to
ano?
be around here for
Di
now.
nila pinort.
Kalak lang nakuha nila.
Going in the bottom lane instead.
Isa lang oh.
Yeah, Raven will
Mahirap ba yun?
hard now.
Tangina nyo.
Dali-dali nun eh. Yung ina nyo.
It's just too
Shit.
good. It also feels good. Like it's just something that you just fully enjoy.
Di siya
Playing
mag-ags-loose.
that build for many a year. It's
Tayo,
good that it's
mag-ag-
actually good now,
But
though.
because it now
Pag-scam mo na
actually
eh.
makes a lot of
Hindi
sense.
mo
It's
natin
good for
kailangan ng
retaliate,
pike oh.
it's good for your move
Need
speed.
natin damage.
And this guy just he's
Holy
really
fuck.
hard to kill.
Tangina,
Like, especially once
kinakabahan
you have
ako.
the heart available. It's also some of these like other items.
Next time
Sa
nga, di
nakita.
ba tataya?
Sa nakita din siya.
Get Lotus because it gives you armor. Like usually center had a
Paano
bit of like an overall.
Saan yan?
Plus ito, seryoso, paparlayan kita bukas. Ipopokus ko yung parlay ko pag-aaralan ko. Susunod
Ayun,
ka.
mag-ags na siya, Gab. Mag-ags na siya, Gab.
Patay tayo.
Bago
di
kayo,
siya.
delikado to. No smoke.
Nakakatamad.
May blink ba yung beast? Paano sila mag-initiate?
Okay, go mo
Ember
ka.
lang?
Ulul. Ina mo.
Tago muna kayo,
Ay,
please.
Aware that something might be
Tago
brewing
muna,
here.
tago muna.
Wala,
Hindi.
hindi matatouch.
Maganda
center,
pwesto
tapos
natin.
reload.
Maganda pwesto natin. Ayun, si
Ah,
Ete, tingnan mo yung
hindi
pwesto.
They're
Oh.
patiently waiting.
Parang ano to, lo.
Through the gate,
Alam mo yun?
lots of
Oo.
comms.
Parang Roshan
Pwestong
Dun
Marino.
sa ano, Lord Dan sa ML.
Oo, ganun yung galawan.
Itong
It's
ina yun.
quite the stalemate. Tormentor stalemate. You don't see this as often.
Yeah, I mean Kato is quite
Kung
good
sino
at this,
mag-Tormentor,
but I don't
talo.
know if the team is gonna commit
Patay
to
tayo,
shot.
Kuya
Finding
Smith.
the Dark Willow with a nice cog.
Hindi, okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Getting bounced
Patay siya,
around.
gago.
Patay tayo siya,
Okay.
Staying alive a little bit longer thanks to the shadow.
Bakit ganun
round.
tayo
Looks like
gumalaw?
this is enough. Is that
Ayoko,
enough for
may
OG?
baril
Hindi
yan.
pa-
Hindi ko wala ako sasabihin masama dyan, putang ina niya.
They can still kinda lean
Ayoko
back.
rin, ah.
Kumpare ko yan tol eh. Ulul, wala kayo.
And likely
Okay lang yan, Kuya Smith. Okay lang yan.
Like, you also said
Sinakok lang tayo ni Clark.
like old running. Kato
Ay,
is
oo,
super
may
good
taya
at
pala si
corner.
Boss Bong dito, no? Magkano tinaya niya
Plus one.
dito?
Plus one.
Magkano yun, Will?
Not sure. Baka 100 yata. Kay Chip yun eh.
Just like that,
Oh.
the lead
Pinapawager, 150k.
150?
in favor of
Ah,
Yandex.
150k.
And the shard will go to
Demonyo
Malice
ka talaga,
against the
Chip.
Rocket Pack.
Putang ina mo.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Para lang ma may 150k, papataya mo sa iba.
I mean,
O
a
pala
jet
ka.
pack is a rocket pack in theory.
In theory. Never heard it though.
Sumasama na yung loob ko,
I'll be
paunti
ready
na
for
ako,
your other
paunti.
great name drops during the
Magkano ba
zone.
tinaya mo,
Mag-slag.
Lods?
Take a very
10K.
close note of them.
Okay, jet.
May 10k ako dito, Blackjack
Okay, looking
Original.
already for one of the next
Para
players.
wala ka na iniisip.
Pambawi lang na.
Oo, para wala ka na iniisip, balo.
Semper,
These
oh.
cogs are so disruptive.
Si Payo
Huli
sa
ka,
amin.
boy.
Attempted initiation from
Nice,
Evo.
patay, los, nag-choke.
They find the start.
Patay
Bobo.
ka, patay ka.
Bobo ka,
Patay
talon
ka,
ka ng
boy.
talon
Patay
eh.
ka,
Ina mo
boy.
eh.
Nang ina mo.
Bupuls ka eh. Kulit mo eh.
Populs mo. Putang
May
ina.
ibig
Malakas
sabihin
yata
ng
tayo
plus
together
1.
ka ba? Di ba ganun?
Need lang namin manalo ng isa.
On the Ember.
Mas malakas pa kayo Ray dyan, gag.
Very, very different from the last one.
Pag may
Just,
kompleto
they
na
just
yung
keep
item.
finding the blink stun into the terrorize. It's kind of difficult for him to play around. There's no
Tangina,
force
kasi
staff.
may kailangan mo kompleto item
Maybe
ng
if
mga.
Saksa is there, he can kind of save him as he rushed the Lotus Orbs. You can take off the Terrorize Sphere, you can take off the Magnetize, or even the
Mayaman
Ranger
nito,
Silence.
Lus. Putang ina mo.
Wala nang kwenta yan, wala nang kwenta yan.
Sana yan.
Oh, mamaya, mga 35 minutes wala nang kwenta yan.
AC's next for the Beastmaster.
Tagal naman.
Obviously very good against the Drow.
Very, very necessary.
Kaya
as well.
Shiba, okay, ganda ng item
Ang
natin.
masama lang, well, walang nakakascore sa Switzerland, Colombia. Yun yung
So you
masama.
think OG's
Ah,
position?
Hindi, meron yun.
Start na ba yun?
They should
Kanina
be quite
pa.
happy. Like, I
4
think also
AM.
with
Ilang minutes na ba?
organization, like Natsumi is
Pa 30
built towards
minutes
the
na.
bags.
30 minutes. Hindi, kaya
Hindi,
pa.
okay lang yan. Kanina nga, sinaglit lang eh.
Is, you know, a
Eh
huge
gago,
factor.
Origin
Ano ba
dito
tayo
yun,
dyan?
nandun yung goat eh.
Goals, I think OG should
Ah,
Isan ba
si
tayo
ano?
dito, Gab?
slightly
Si
happier than
Mbap.
Yannick.
Kumbaga,
Parehas,
nandun
parehas,
yung pinagsamang
dapat
ano eh, Lebron, Michael Jordan, baliw.
Aha.
Parehas
Hindi, saan
dapat
ba tayo?
master.
Colom-
Parehas nga dapat
Colombia?
master cubes.
Parehas
Ah,
dapat
parehas
1-1.
makascore?
Oo.
O teams to score nga, gaano ba kahirap intindihin yung visit ka?
It is hard
Kaya-
against the clockwork though.
Kailangan may
Saan
sign
ba nag-grade
language pa
school?
yun.
Wala ba English doon?
But it would be nice to maybe force in something small before
Hindi ko naman narinig kasi, tangina na yun.
higher AC.
Hindi ko lang narinig kasi.
You have Scotty on Watson, which is good, but
Takay
like,
patawa.
Di
Wala
ba
mo
yun?
walang English.
you still have the big
Nagpapagisa sila yung mga
strategy
tao
that
pa eh. Nasakto.
Ay, natatawa si kami dyan pa eh.
Hindi ka siguro nalagyan ng star sa kamay nung nag-grades.
Ay, meron.
Kawawa,
3-star.
kawawa.
Yeah, big pickup though for Watson. Scotty now fully equipped.
Skadi, tas akin
Yaman ni.
Whereas on the other side, Natsumi, the Ags.
O, register ka na.
Ay, baka pinapalipat ka na doon, tol.
Malipat na ako.
It's a sign, gang.
Potentially pop in.
Kita sila ng...
Gagula sila si Trip, patay ko, tol. Wow! Putang ina mo, Riven!
Putang ina nyo! Ge! Pukin lang
Plus
nyo!
one.
Game time!
Sure
Ge!
na.
Hanapin nyo si
Go,
Terrorblade,
Riven.
please!
As Yan
Ano to,
Hanapin
Riven
nyo!
Duron?
to TP out.
Tol, Raven Borat, tol.
Roshan, tara, Roshan tayo, Gab.
Wow.
Gab, Roshan tayo, Gab.
Wow, Raven Durant, tol. Wow.
Sino yung nag-live?
Grabe si Raven sa game na to, no? Live mo pa yung Shocker. Ay,
Ito nga, oh.
But this time around is just OG are making more clear plays. Like
full screen mo naman, to. Para naman tayong gago yan.
Baka mamaya may lubog na dyan eh. Paano lumaki yung TT mo?
Paano ba yung full screen to?
I-click mo yun lang yan. Click.
Oh.
Kala ko kasi etet ko.
Ay, no, full
TV
screen
versus
naman
draw
yan.
niya.
Ang inagab kung saan site na ako napupunta.
Close mo kasi agad yan, tapos i-click mo.
Oo, close mo, tapos click mo.
Close, click.
Yung
Mabilisan dapat.
Mahirap
Ayun,
explain
nag-butterfly
kasi sa
siya.
boom.
Nice one, Ed.
Definitely the play of the series so far.
Oh, for sure.
Butterfly
Gago,
si Ed.
sayang, nasalo. Tang ina talaga.
Full screen mo.
Full screen mo.
Hindi ko alam.
Wala tayong
Ano
makikita
yun?
niyan. Naliliit na nga ng mga ano eh.
Enter.
Wait lang, sino yung nag-go?
Hindi ko yung
Ayoko
smith
dyan,
lang,
may
okay
baril
lang.
yan.
Bato.
Yes, indeed. Tims takes the tumble.
Baba mo. Ay, bahala ka.
Comes
Tang
out, but
ina.
it is reflected.
Eh, saan ba kasi sabi ni, ano, enter daw?
Teka lang, nakakambakan tuloy tayo. Ang ingay mo kasi.
Nice four-staff.
Wala, nakakambakan tayo. Tang ina mo.
Ay, sa akin yun. Hindi ko
Butterfly lang,
nagpapatrol.
butterfly.
Yung plus one lang lose.
Butterfly si Etet, di na kaya ni TV yan. Kahit anong item niyang gagawin.
Check na.
Kahit na kayong KB, ganun, hindi na kaya.
Wala na, oo, wala na.
Okay, okay.
Walang damage.
TB yan nakakatakot. Hindi, carry matchup pa ni si TB kay Draw.
Panis ka, boy.
Is he actually going for Ags already? Wow. He's halfway there.
Ang pinapanood ko sa kabilang screen, ang liit ang puta, wala akong makita kahit yung bola, di ko alam kung nakakanino.
No, it's okay.
Gago,
mag-
I don't think it's that amazing.
Magagaling daw siya, no?
Score!
For a little bit, like, again, I think Solar
Huli,
Crest
huli,
are
huli.
Insane.
Inaayaw nila umiscore.
There's a way, like, you can always see,
Patayin
like,
ko na lang
okay,
tong
if I have,
balaga
like,
niya.
one or two items, I can be very strong. but
Ayaw, miss ko rin, ayaw mo
Drow
mga
is
full
generally
screen.
the type of support
Saan yun?
that you don't
Paano ba
Hello,
yung full screen
Lay.
kasi?
You just need to enable her to
Payeng,
play. Like,
si
she has
Butterfly
to
daw
do
pa
that.
shoutout.
Sige
Ay,
na,
Lay.
patay.
Ba't yung nagbibitok? Dayo, nagbibitok dayo, tang
Ay,
ilan
hindi,
to.
hindi.
Like more star storms
Oh,
from around
well.
Lightning Arrow.
Yeah.
Nagay lang eh, sumakapal eh.
Ayun nga.
Yeah, sabi mo, Gab, shout out.
But could be a good Centaur Ags
Putang ina
game.
kung ano nung
Oh,
sugal.
absolutely. When is it not?
Wala naman, ano.
I mean,
Mentalihan, di
Baba mo nga, pili ka channel na iba pa eh.
but
Ayun na admin, nasa stream 1 ka naman.
also ranged hero.
Oh, kaya nga.
Need mo lang i-close agad. Pindutin mo, tapos close mo agad. Control W mo agad. Tapos balik ka dun. Pindot mo lang.
Probably not in range.
Ayan na.
Putang ina na pin.
Tang inang yan.
Oh, Telegram yung pina.
Grabe.
Untargetable? Untargetable, right?
Hindi kasi
Tang
makita
ina,
sa
wala
keyboard.
na dala
Kailangan
ng
may
football
flashlight.
eh, stress pa.
Putang ina yan.
Terrorblade probably not needing any extra benefit, but
Yeah, you
Sure
should
rin
use
yung
range,
OG.
I think, to deal with that already, but even so, it's just
Okay, nakuha na.
Lus, ikaw nga mag-live, Lus, sabi na screen mo para
Ikaw nga, Lus,
makapanood
ikaw,
kami
Lus,
sa
ikaw,
Discord
Lus.
din namin. Di ba?
you know,
Ah, last.
Anong,
Ay, eto na. Okay na, okay na.
Na-full screen mo na.
ever threaten her.
Yes.
Tol, legit ka ba? Yung pahingi po puro screen mo lang, hirap na hirap ka.
Shut up, bitch.
Ayun din eh. Kata-kata din ang nangyayari, putang ina.
Hindi ko kayo naririnig, Tan.
Usually TB can like long fights because meta is
Ay,
not the lowest.
gago na wala gab.
You're gonna have to play for killing ground.
Ala, nawala ulit.
Sige, full screen mo
Yung
na.
sounds kasi man.
Ayun oh.
Ayun, ayun. The sounds
you
now.
watch with the damage rune now. They're heading towards the
Nice,
bot side, but
Huwag mo na lagyan ng sounds kasi.
35 minutes, wala pa din nakakascore yan. Delikado yan, ah.
Di yan, mabilis lang yan, Gab.
and Aegis.
Ay, naglag. Ano yun?
It's still another minute.
Yeah,
Ayun na,
sorry.
Gab!
I mean, how much do they need to get out of this?
Tirahin mo! Bobo ka!
I don't think they necessarily need to get
Ay,
much
ito si
out of
Owe,
it,
oh.
they should get like a bottom
Ang
tier
ina mo, kailangan namin makascore pa rin.
I think at least 1 tier 2, try to take over the enemy outpost, continue to like have
Shiba na si
continuously-
Japo,
Sobrang
yun,
hirap
no?
ni Ember yun.
Still the one thing that Yannick have going for them. You have
Wait,
TB,
wait, smoke.
Beast, and Ember. Literally
Wala
all
na ba,
the
Aegis?
heroes have some form of
Parang kailangan ng
Di
Di ba, di ba? 34 pa, 34 pa mawala
34
Aegis.
pa, okay.
or just Ember who's hard to catch.
Kaso nasa top
Kinakabahan
siya.
ako, Lus.
GG tayo.
Lus. Kinakabahan ako, Lus. Patay siya.
Patay nga siya, Gab.
Coming out from Yopaj, immediately hook shot. Rourke to come out as well. Easy kill. 70 seconds of no
G.
earth spirit. OG
Mag-ahoy
back
to.
away. And this is into an
Diyan,
Aegis,
diyan,
so
diyan.
it's gonna
Kaya,
expire.
Hindi nakameta yan,
Tier
Lus.
2 goes down in the mid
Di
lane,
yan.
so
Kaya, tiwala.
Yandex are the ones
Kaya,
to pick up
tiwala
the tier 2.
That's
Mukhaan lang netat yan.
even just
Kahit
using
mukhaan
the
mo nga
meta
eh.
like this, you have Caudle, he will keep
Paano yan?
refreshing your
Meta
pings.
easy yan eh. Kaya minute.
Now some pressure
Ano
there.
yun, di mo mumukhaan? Ako mumukhaan yan, putang
Won't
ina.
stick around too long.
Nakapalo yung gagong yan.
No, just making sure
Okay
that
na,
they're
okay
all
na.
stuck in their base, and now you can go split onto the side lanes, also take the outpost. So,
Level na yung battery yan.
Pasok na yung 1 win. 1 win ba nanalo, guys? Talo.
even game into
Putang
a
ina,
3K
level 1
lead,
battery
Aegis
nga,
is
ano,
gonna
Will?
expire as well
Oo.
for OG, and they're all semi-stuck in their base.
Baka kasi puro
Parang hindi makakascore yung
Zero,
pulis
one
lang.
win.
battery sa
I mean, it
So,
is
ito na
good
nga lang
against,
kulang natin.
I guess the Legions.
Ganun
Gab
siya
cash
sa
out na ba to? 500 ko tama na ng 7k, 26k pag nanalo OG.
Generally underwhelming.
Kung need mo yung pera, cash out mo na tol. Pero kung nagsugal ka naman para magsugal talaga, laban mo na yan. Kasi winnable talaga tong OG. Legit. Winnable.
At mo na yan, tol.
Ganda
Sa'yo,
naman
okay.
doon, Gab, legit.
Gago, hindi makakascore yung pula. Sobrang takot nila.
Tawag dyan sa mga gambler, let it ride.
Aha.
Let it ride.
Yes.
Let it go.
Or
Yes.
scaling type thing with the Ags. I think it's okay. I don't think it's the best, but it's fine.
Smoke ulit, okay. Ito yung gusto ko, suntukan lang ng suntukan. Kanina pa ako naghihintay ng suntukan.
Okay.
He's going for a swift link after.
Kumbaga,
which I
despite
love.
can like, can
Despite,
decide
okay.
again.
You have to
Naniniwala ka ba sa divine intervention, Los?
Gago ka.
Patay, di ko alam ibig sabihin nun.
Yeah, Moonlight Shadow from OG. Yandex with the smoke as they wrap around in OG's triangle. Tormentor up.
Di niya alam yun. Kaya ako, gusto nila
Nag-rocket.
bobo nga, no?
Show them.
Nag-rocket uyit! Ulo!
Doesn't care.
GG tayo, Gab. Wala si
Otoy
Jokoy dito.
toyo.
Tormentor's gonna live as a big fight.
Tsaka ang kata-kata ka, gabi na, lilipat. Ba't tayo nagtutormentor?
Onto Natsumi.
Oh, GG to.
Ano mo?
Ba't kasi
Cash out.
pinaka-shot mo na yung Gab eh.
Tol, cash out mo na yan, tol.
Wala ka naman cash-out dyan, tol. Late ka na. Late ka nagtanong. Hindi, sinabi ko naman cash-out mo pag need mo talaga, diba?
Yeah, it did not die.
Okay.
It's just like
Stop
also
like
like
that.
when you look at all of
Grabe.
the stuff that's happening, I just think
Nata
Yandex
down
are
na ako,
having
so,
way
bro.
superior map play in like the last 5 to 6 minutes. Like first of all for OG, Yopaj was stuck at his tier 3. I think he was scared, rightfully so. It was kind of hard for him to
Basta si...
connect. And
Gago, basta sipa na lang sila, tol.
you start a fight and you kind of have no way to go. Like you're hitting the Torm and they're 5-man smoking on you. Like OG need to be slightly more disciplined on that because that was Let's see if they eventually
Gagong
want
bilis.
to poke up into this high ground. or if they just
Wala
make
ni
the
Ags
call,
niya.
Like, no,
Kinain niya
just
na, no?
don't go to the high ground.
Ano
Farm
na sa
every
item
map,
niya pa ganyan?
farm
Silver
everything,
Edge,
get
Sweet
all the
Blink.
items we want, and
Wala ka siya
eventually
dida eh.
goes to the base,
Dida.
we kill him.
So we talked about how Terrorblade needed to have a bit of a
Ba't
lead
wala ka
on
din
ground
Mhm.
in order to win this matchup. I mean,
Sa Tanic
obviously
siya, no? Okay
we're
lang
just
din man yata sa
assuming
Tanic.
1v1, which is very realistic, of course.
Oh, that's how Dota works.
Defensive ate. Pag nakakapitan na siya, patay na siya. Kahit
Ha?
may sa
Quick
talo.
blink lang,
Pwede
quick
naman
blink
siya,
lang.
eh, no?
With how
Oo.
this game have gone. Like,
Quick blink
he's
lang.
got all the items he wants. He's got a 9k net
Pati may
worth of
center
items.
naman siya,
Onto
though.
two.
Daedalus na lang. Sige, o kaya Silver Edge. Pwede.
Ah, dito.
Pang
Gonna get out
pwesto.
for now. The hook shot does find the Dark Willow.
Disperser, ayam.
Nullifier gonna bring
Pangit.
out the force stab. That's gonna be the
Ayun, no, bakit si TV? Patay TV, Los!
the area. We can see the
Ay,
damage
ah!
to the Drow Ranger.
Kasi yung kakampi niya. Wala stampede, walang ano. Lose!
They get the stun
GG tayo.
onto Chira Jr., but he has the remnant with the Aghanim Scepter. So
Ba't
he's
parang mag-isa lang siya dun?
fully resetting.
Hindi siya na-save, no?
Gonna pop a Lotus to stay alive now.
Hindi, ubus ata kay Japoy.
Ikaw, ubus yata, ubus yata.
Kaso mas, wala Sander.
Getting hurt.
Patay,
Patay,
nice.
patay. Nice,
Nice,
nice.
uy, lag.
Down goes Watson.
Nice.
And despite
Nice.
losing the Drow to
Nice,
start
nice,
this
nice,
fight,
nice,
they
nice,
win
nice.
it.
Yeah, they still
Ember
Kailangan
nakataka.
ni Etet ng BKB or ano, Dida, hindi sa Tanic. Anong ginawa na sa Tanic mo doon, Etet?
Bumili ba siya sa Tanic?
Kanina pa, oo, napalitan niya na nga yung Ags niya eh.
Wala bobo nga sa item build yan, di ba? Dati pang bobo sa item build yan. Ah, yeah.
Razor yun, naka-B-play eh.
Ayun nga eh.
Yeah, they lose the Dark Willow, and then Drow gets kind of stuck in this area.
Inaganims lang siya, oh.
Sunder at the last moment here too.
Hindi siya nabitbit napir pala yung center.
Napir. Wala kasalanan si Raven din doon. Wala kasalanan.
Malayo siya.
Yeah, sure. We didn't mention the
Ano, ubus
Bloodstone.
nila.
Ano ba nangyari? Wala di siya blink si Raven, no?
Arinata.
And then Drow gets kind of stuck in the fight. Looked pretty good. Yeah, they lose
Meron
the top
yata.
well, and then Drow gets kind of stuck
Kaso
in
napir
this
lang
area.
nasakto yata.
Sunder at
napir
the
siya,
last
oh.
moment
Yun ang
here,
hirap.
too. And then Drow gets kind of stuck in this area. Sunder.
Ang hirap sa perspective niya ba?
Raven will get
Okay.
his own shard, which will
Ito,
also
madali
help
na to. May
top one.
BKB na si Raven.
Like,
Bigay
he
niya
can
siya.
end up being like
Okay.
7
Type
to
shit.
8,000 HP within one of the next couple fights.
Pero legit yung
Yaman
buhat
na
sa
ni
kanila
Japoy.
ni Raven dito. Sa game
Yaman na
na
ni
to.
Japoy. Kinikilig na ako.
If they get to that stage. So they've got that
Raven
top
Durant,
save.
tol.
Very
Mas
unusual.
undispellable kukunin ni ano ay yung ano sa self, no?
Sa self.
Forgot they even had the cart. Didn't use it on the Drow.
Yeah, I don't think it
Sure win na to?
happened in this
Last,
game.
last.
Maybe
Lista
he
mo
was
na
being
pag
forced to like blink out or his blink got
Lista ko na,
cancelled
okay.
by like some
Ay,
Legit.
anong oras tayo
or
magsi-CS
whatever.
bukas? Mga 3 PM, 2 PM ah.
Can also be annoying to
Gising
save
na
against
12 nun.
Terrorwave, I think.
Tapos
Pag nyo
ano,
bukas
You're gonna
sa
have to
hindi
BKB
pwede hindi
yourself
tayo
or like jump
nagsisiya.
over to then save the Drow.
Tayo ni scam, tignan mo yung ano niya, neutral niya gabo. Yung tier 1 pa din.
Sorry, I thought you meant
Baka dahil sa
Bubble family.
GPM.
Yeah, the same skill basically.
Yeah, it's
May GPM pa din siya.
good save.
Ayaw niya palitan.
Nearly sounded like the dumbass.
Naka-GPM pa din.
Hindi niya alam yung gano'n.
No, definitely not.
Ang bilis ng
Patay
pera
bis,
niya.
patay bis. Los, patay bis. Lista mo na.
Ay!
May ano eh.
Just in time, Bramble catches him. There's the terrorize.
May gem eh.
As he pops the BKB.
Will kill Johnny,
Hirap
though.
mag-initiate ba?
Come on, man. Johnny gets to live.
He's fine. Hook shot.
Okay, hook up.
Right
Huli.
in the ass of the
Bakit pa
centaur.
no?
Hindi.
Ina mo,
Paano yan? Paano
Raven
yan?
no?
Be A-okay.
Ay, Raven tuloy. Maladok.
Naman.
Ani,
Patay.
Full ka boy. Tangin na ka, Will.
Ay, di pala.
Gigil mo.
Make sure your arrow hits.
well, nang gagago ka na naman, Will. Tangina mo.
It's also good.
Tanga na kasi, tuntok na ako tol.
Tier 2 tower in favor of OG.
Gago,
Coming into
Will.
the lead.
Paparahon pa anak. Hindi ka pa
Hindi pinilitan niya na gab. Nakaano na siya yung spell amp, si scam.
Well, let's see if OG can
Not tier 1 pa din.
stabilize the map.
Ewan
Get
ko na
towards
dyan.
Roche himself.
Tangina mo. Punta ko dyan.
Gago kang scam ka. Pinapira pa mo yung utak namin.
I feel like it's just nearly
Dahil
impossible
magandang
to play this
item
game
sa tier
without
4
it. Like, it's all about your early positioning, where
Baka
you
bobo
are,
si
and
scam.
at this point you
Kaya
can
nga,
replace
tanga
your
ng
boost.
Andre yan ah.
Oh, he's buying BK.
Pero,
Okay.
dito, manalo, matalo, OG.
Because he had
Nakita
enough
na
to
natin
beat
may
Terror-
pag-asa.
like, Terror Wave.
Yung OG natin.
I'm so proud of you, Filipino.
Hindi. Kasi kung nangyari game 1 ulit, no? Yung ganun kabugbog. Parang mahirap na
Many
pumus.
teammates have
Sa
terrorized
sunod.
you, I'm sure.
Pero wala naman silang pake sa pusta natin. Mahirap.
Yeah, but that's because Cinder played with Kebab. So
Hindi dapat may pa sila, pera ko yun eh.
People know about this story.
Sa
I've
bagay.
told it 100 times. So
There's good ones.
Kasi kung ako pro, wala din ako pake sa pera. May putang ina.
Imagine your team and the guy starts laughing at you because you're losing.
Wait lang, sabi nga ni Sebi dito, matehan.
smoke from OG.
Matehan.
Matehan.
Raven showing himself.
May hex na ba tayo?
Sila accord na yun na last. Di na nagsasalita. Di na
Yeah, the
nagdadali-dali.
moonlight shot. I think that was
Kasi-
spotted.
Si Sebi?
Oo.
Oo.
Possible, you never know. Chira. Gonna dodge the initiation.
Wait,
trying to
ganda.
focus on the-
Ay, si ano.
Nasaan na? Isip!
Hindi,
Hindi, masisave.
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 Okay lang, may BKB pa
Okay
si
lang?
Japoy, tapos may bloodstone
Okay.
siya. May bloodstone
Okay,
siya.
patay na agad si Maladik.
Take out Malady on the
Reset
back.
mo na kayo tayo.
Nagmeta rin. Nagmeta.
Gago, paluin
Katay,
nila yung
Waves.
mid, loose. Paluin nila yung mid, baliw.
Sino
Legit.
papalo niyan?
Si Drew.
May draw. Ay,
Okay.
That's super
Card.
early, yeah.
Gago, palo mid to, sure. Paluin mo.
May nagmeta ba? O peer lang yun? Peer lang yata yan? Hindi yata meta.
Paluin mo.
Nag-peer. Walang meta.
Ano ba talaga? Nag-peer, walang meta. Sabi
Ewan ko
ko.
dito kay Joel.
Nag-peer tsaka nag-meta.
Ah, okay.
Nag-peer yung meta.
Muntik na maguluhan mo eh.
Alam mo, well.
Tapos sa shard lang. Ay, sags lang yan. Last yun. Meta.
Okay.
Kaya nga, ganun
Patay ba
ba?
to? Wala atang BKB loss.
Now the damage coming out from the
Ikaw,
high
aray
ground.
ko!
Absolutely
Loss!
destroy this.
Yung bisiro natin!
Ano?
But Raven does fall.
Yung bisiro
Patay tayo.
natin! Loss! Ay, gago, ang sakit.
Ang sakit ni Japoy. Uy,
Gago
gago na
ka,
pala!
nice!
Nice one!
Putang ina mo, Skimber Lolo!
But a big Sunder
Okay lang,
Teka
okay
lang.
lang, wala na.
Poy,
Hindi
Poy,
na kaya
survive.
si
Poy,
Drew,
Poy,
di na kaya si
survive.
Drew, di na kaya!
Nice,
Di na
nice.
kaya si Etet!
Sure ball, sure ball.
Putang ina mo, Etet! Di na kaya si Etet ko! mo, kinang ina nyo. Subukan
Sige,
nyo, kinang ina nyo.
dieback.
Kinang ina mo.
Suruin. Ay, gago, dieback mo, gago. Wala na.
Dieback.
Kawawa.
Wala na,
GG,
1-1.
GG,
Wala na,
GG,
GG.
GG.
Ay, saan ba
Panis
sa
ka,
hotdog?
boy. Panis ka, boy.
Because OG, like, it looked a little bit
Pasok
weird.
lahat, tol.
Thank you ako doon.
Gagong ganda nung pair ni ano ni Teams ko. Good teams talaga.
They're just pumping out so much damage on their heroes.
World Cup na ako inaantay.
Even here,
Kaka
Watson
na.
is just chunking away at them from the high ground.
I thought DNX was fine.
Putang ina mo na piro.
So Raven just kind of dies instantly.
Ano ba, may
Gago.
pair?
This multi-shot on top of the
Mentally
Glacier.
handicap pala ako dyan.
Scam had
Yung ulti niya.
crazy
Yung
position.
terrorize.
They're coming around with this arrow from the backside.
Ay, sa pasensya na, sabag na ako.
Alright,
tol.
I'm gonna look at my boy CJ.
Ganda nung araw nun, no?
Yeah, the remnants back in.
Uy, pa nga si ano doon,
He
no?
gets one slide
Yo,
of
pa-
Si
gold.
Japoy,
Japoy,
no?
tol.
Nabuhay pa si Japoy.
There's your boy Japoy. He
Malupit
did
tong
play.
batang to.
Yeah, Yopaj.
May potential.
Wow.
Oo, pipindot ka.
100 times over.
Uy, pindot ka, patay ka, gago ka.
Pag-dive ka na nga
They
eh.
get the Aegis, they get the cheese, the Roche
Tingnan mo,
banner,
ah.
and they're gonna get mid
Wala pa
lane.
rin story.
Alam mo, half time, wala naman naglalaro eh.
Poke at the bottom.
Ay,
Opo,
captain ba?
ang ina
Sorry.
mo. Hirap umis.
Kakabalik lang.
Definitely can.
Sa locker room, ano yung scorean doon?
Buybacks, and of course,
Kaya,
Ay, panalo ng OG.
Opo ka, di ka sumabay. Sinabihan ka
Ay,
namin.
ino mo, 48k si Sulap.
can't get the hook
Sabi sa'yo, wag mo cash out, di ba? Nasa na yun?
focusing the tower.
Nasaan ka? Putangin na lumabas ka, susuntukin ko ang mukha mo.
Di ba? 26k. Pengi 5 subs.
Like, sure, even with Watson
Legit.
being up,
Wag mo na hingan, Gab.
try for a play. There's an
Bakit?
Aegis available.
Wag lang.
And he has Satanic.
Sulap, may 5 subs ako sa'yo, Sulap.
Hook shot.
Malabo
Gonna
niyan.
try to go for it. There's
Dako,
Ako,
the
di
jam.
ko
Tama na
yun.
ng loob niyo sa akin.
Nanalo pa siya,
Bullshit.
bobo ko.
Aegis. Ay, nice one, nice one.
Oo nga, no? Sige, pengi rin niya ako.
Obviously had that second line,
Ay,
no
ay, ay.
reason to waste it this early.
naisip
Still
yun.
3.5 minutes left on
Nice
it.
one. Nice sakay.
And OG,
Nakatakot yung BKB mo dun,
at least
Etta.
for the NX, they
20 seconds yun.
don't lose this second
Nakakatakot.
set.
Ano, wala nang kakababatol. Kahit saan angulo mo tignan, imposible na sila matalo.
Wala na, GG na nga.
Wala
Kulit
po.
na ito ni Joel, oh.
Bobo,
Bakit dire-diretso tayo? Ang kala nyo, walang sentry ang mga yan.
Easy lang, center hero niyan.
Hindi, si Miranda nakiki-high ground.
Easy.
Ah, okay,
They
sigurado.
don't have meta though.
They do. I think he Terra waved earlier.
Kasi pinapanood dati pa eh.
To be fair,
Ngayon
even
pala.
if he did, I'm pretty sure he.
That's true.
Oh, hindi naman naalis.
We did talk about
Sorry.
this
We
like
did.
7 minutes
Yeah.
ago.
Thunder cooldown.
Uy, shit, umuulan na eh. Utos pa ng utos. Hindi pa ba yan?
Uy, Chopeng, bunga nga mo.
Alright, so OG, they're gonna get initiated.
Bago,
now.
patay si
Shot
Skimber,
does connect.
lo.
Damage on the Mirana, already dead.
Nag-roar na.
Patay, TV. Los, yung TV los.
Ay,
Patay, legit.
Patay ka, boy!
Patay,
Patay
nice.
ka, boy! Patay
Nice.
ka, boy! Ikaw
Yung
rin,
Ember
patay ka,
die back. Walang
Buyback.
remnant, bobo.
GG has been
bobo,
called.
bobo,
Kawawang
bobo,
mga
bobo.
bata.
Meta.
Kinuhaan namin kayo ng pera. Putang ina nyo, amin
Fuck
yung...
Mm.
Fuck you.
Tang ina mo,
Fuck you,
Chupay, ayaw mo sumabay, bobo.
Sabi sa'yo, plus
Talo
1
na nga
OG.
eh. Paano pa
Sinabihan
sasabay?
ka na.
Sinabihan ka na
Sinabihan
kanina
ka
pa.
na,
Let's go!
Bobo ka ba?
Wait lang.
Ending to the game. I
Hmm,
think
nice.
Gagas title ko.
really good grip on this game. Like,
May gago, okay lang yan, Jet, yung NGR mo.